Composing for film and digital performer and working with MFR scoring files. These store frame-accurate timing data essential for synchronizing music to picture. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these digital performer film scoring files. My professional advice: when standard programs fail on a tricky MFR file, you need a secret weapon, a piece of magical software. We'll cover that after we try 3 main fixes. An MFR file is a project component created by MOTU's Digital Performer, a digital audio workstation, DAW. It specifically stores film scoring data, including markers, streamers, and flutters that synchronize audio events with video. Users create these files to compose and align music and sound effects to picture. The MFR format is a proprietary binary file designed to hold time-stamped event data, critical for film scoring. Its structure is optimized for rapid access and precise synchronization, with a corresponding video file within the Digital Performer environment, ensuring sample-accurate placement of audio cues. The most trusted opener for the MFR file is consistently MOTU Digital Performer from Mark of the Unicorn, MOTU. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows gives you quick listening access, but expert-level editing requires dedicated audio suites. We are isolating the application issue. Right-click your MFR file and select Open With. Start with MOTU Digital Performer if it's visible. If not, choose another program and check its ability to read the MFR format. If the MFR file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. We're facing a complicated MFR error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, loading in Digital Performer. Open Digital Performer and use File then Import, or the movie window's film scoring features to load the MFR file. Digital Performer applies the timing data to your project, synchronizing tempo maps, hit points, and streamers to your composition. The visual streamers and audible punches appear at exactly the SMPT position specified in the MFR file. Next, creating hit points. Within Digital Performer, use the movie window to identify visual hit points by stepping through the film frame by frame. Mark each hit point at the appropriate SMPT position to build your scoring map. Save the configuration as an MFR file for reuse across queue sessions or sharing with collaborating composers and music editors. Finally, exchanging with other DAWs. For collaboration with composers using other DAWs, export tempo maps from Digital Performer to standard formats like MIDI tempo tracks or text-based timecode lists. Import these into Pro Tools, Logic Pro, or Cubase for cross-DAW film scoring workflows. The frame-accurate synchronization principles transfer, though native MFR support is exclusive to Digital Performer. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.